बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. So viewers, I am going to share with you a most beautiful and very stunning planter decoration ideas. These are amazing and very unique and very stunning planter decoration ideas for you guys. These are very stunning ideas for you guys. These are top trending and super classy and most beautiful planter decoration ideas for you guys. These are very stunning and very pretty and very unique and very outclass planter decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, these are very stunning and very classy and very beautiful planter decoration ideas for you guys. So viewers, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and also click the bell icon for more updates and for more notifications. So guys, I am very thankful to you all for supporting my channel and for watching my videos. These are best and incredible planter decoration ideas for you guys. Always supporting my channel, always watching my videos. These are super amazing and most unique and very pretty planter decoration ideas for you guys, and I hope so you enjoy these planter decoration ideas. These are very different and very amazing and very stunning planter decoration ideas for you guys, and you must try these planter decoration ideas at your home. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. You must share this video with your friends and with your family members. These are very unique and very amazing and very stunning ideas for you guys. So remember me in your prayers, and you must follow and subscribe my channel because these are very unique and very beautiful collection for you guys. And you also watch different kind of videos about craft work on my channel. Hope so you enjoyed this video, and keep supporting my channel, keep watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Bye bye guys.